Hello friends and welcome back to Marquee Soaps. Today we are making Bumbleberry by Nature's Garden, and we will start by mixing together our oils, butters, and additives, and then we'll get in our lye and start to making some soap. So we are adding titanium dioxide to the entire batch. So I'm going to go ahead and get that added in now. I do have some over here to the side that is in a very full jar. And I've already dispersed it in some warm water. I'm going to do 3 tablespoons. Now I'm going to add in my fragrance oil. It's 100 ounces of oil. So 5% of that, because that is the usage rate of this fragrance, is 5 ounces. And it smells divine. And it smells just like, it's probably the same fragrance, but Brambleberry has a fragrance called Brambleberry. It really reminds me of that. So we'll just hit it real quick with our soup blender. But before we get our mold, we do have 3 small accent colors that we need to split this off into. So I have some Snake Island by Mad Micas. I Dream of Purple by Mad Micas, and a little bit of Angry Rose by Mad Micas. And I think I don't have enough Angry Rose in there, but we will just see. I just want a small amount of the red and purple. And then we'll do a little bit more for green because I'm going to save some of it to pipe some leaves on the top. And I'm going to use my milk frother to mix this color in. Alright, let's pour this in. We'll do about halfway in each of the molds. And we'll come in with some color. So this design was thought out with this actually being, runny, but we make do with what we have. So I'm going to put the rest in, and then I'll bring you back when I get my hanger swirl going. So we have some melt and pour berries, and I'm just going to grab a handful of them and put them wherever. Welcome back, friends. We are here to unmold and cut into this Bumbleberry soap. I just love how the top came out. So pretty. So I've let this sit for a week. My soap doesn't need to set that long, but that's my personal preference. This way I know my soap is not sticky when it comes out of the mold. Okay, let's get our cutter. Okay, well, let's see what she looks like on the inside. We're gonna go nice and slow because these melt and pour berries on top are hard. And there is that first bar. So it just has the touch of color in there, which is what we wanted. I think it turned out very nice. And I love the top. Love it. So if this soap is something that you might be interested in, it will be available in our June release, which is on Sunday, June 6th. I do release my products at 10 a.m. Central Standard Time in my Etsy shop on the first Sunday of every month. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time, guys. Bye.